Hey everybody, so welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be playing DTI, but how to get rich methods. And BTW, you like my new mirror? I think I love it. Look at that. And then there's a Kuromi back. It's Kuromi. And I genuinely love it. Look. Anyways, yeah, let's get to the video. Oh god. So, oh god, this is on the video. Anyways, so let's go into Roblox. Okay, so my friends are playing. Your girl now. Anyways, let's go into Dress to Impress, but with a twist. We're going to go into standing servers. You can't go into one with a server with 3 or 4 because the game will just start. So remember, you have to join all game. And it's like, yeah. So we're gonna be joining my friend's server. It's okay, it's her private server, she lets me. So here we are, we're joining. So this is a private server, so of course we're gonna get first place because nobody's gonna vote us. Yay! I'm getting gear right now. So this is my private, no, not mine, my friend's private server. Oh god, I can't believe I lied. Yo, I'm not a top model! Anyways, yeah, let's restart it, because it's not letting me. Sorry if I'm annoying. Anyways, yeah. Playing Just to Impress. I think my friend, after she sees this, she's gonna be so mad at me for what I used her server for. Oh. We're gonna go to servers. We're gonna join her private server. So that girl's got custom makeup, VIP, run faster, and her own private server. Like, what? Like what, girl? Like, how much Robux is that? Like, God. And the worst thing is that she bought it. We're here. So you can't restart it. So you can't. First thing you want to do is so I recommend you to do the obby that they put you here. It doesn't matter how many tries it takes, you have to put it. Is there money at the top? Oh no. I would love it. I would have put money at the top. Yo, I can't even do it. Oh my god. I'm so eating at this. Okay, yeah, I'm not. Like, yo! I just want my cash. Sorry about that, I'm making food. Oh god, I kept on falling. Anyways, we're gonna have to shorten this, fasten this up until I can, like, do this. Okay. So, oh God. This is so difficult. Anyways, y'all want to say hi to my dad? Say hi.
What's up?
Sorry, he's a little bit cringe. Anyways. God, this is so hard. You know what? I'm just going to speed it up.
What's up, Philippines jelly beans?
Stop. I'm serious. Don't do that.
Me?
Yes. Like, I'm so serious. Like, don't do that. I'm actually filming.
What's up, Philippines?
Papi, don't do that. It's cringe. I'm sorry. My dad is just being crazy right now. He thinks I'm not filming when I'm actually... If he knew I'm filming, he wouldn't do this. I'm sorry. Oh God! Do you know what? I'm just done. Good thing I just fastened this up. At least I'm gonna get rich, am I? I'm the only one here, right? Good, because I was like, what the heck? I was like, what the freak is actually happening? Stop it! Sorry, my dad's watching TV. And he's not giving me any space to record. Oh God. Y'all, like, I'm serious, like... Y'all, I'm like trying so hard. Yeah, this isn't too hard, obby. Like, I can't even complete it. Like, oh, that was easy. That was easy. Oh God, I just can't believe that happened. So y'all, let me show you what you're supposed to do in this hobby. So, of course you can't complete it in the many seconds Justin Press put you. Justin Press, if you can, please put more intermission. A lot of people don't really even like the intermission. Because they're like, just start the game. Like, I get it, like, just start the game, Justin Press. But, like, you also need time to complete the obbies. Like, come on. Like, do you want money? Do you want to get rich? Because right now, as you see, I'm not rich. I really need this Lipsy Barbie suit. It's too cute. Oh God, it's like too cute. I really like private servers because, like, you can, like, get all the money to yourself without everybody disturbing you. Because one time, this girl was, like, literally in the server and she was, like, getting all the money and everybody was, like, super annoyed at her. And she was like, but that's what it's for, you know? Like, it's the hobby. Like, anybody can get the money. Like, it's, you know, it has to be you. But, like, I get it, but, like, girl, like, you have to share for other people, too, because they're going to be mad at you. I'm just going to wait for the money to respond. I'm at the end of the hobby, and that took, like, literally 9 minutes. Almost 10. I've been recording for 9 minutes. Oh my god, that's too much. No 10. Girl, respawn! Respawn on the map! I think now they don't respawn. They don't respawn. Well, they do, but it takes like a minute. DTI, if you're seeing this, please make the money respawn again. Because I'm tired and sick of it not respawning.